was given. So if you claim to be a moral person or religious person or whatever you do, the nature of sin is still there. Sin is not necessarily the activity that you fornicate, that you gossip. Those are just the fruit, the manifestation of the nature of who you are. Our first parent Adam and Eve sinned. We inherited the sinful nature. That's why you see a child 1 year is already manifesting bitterness, anger. Because the nature of sin has to be dealt with. But religion will never deal with the nature of sin. They will tell you to perform rituals, to tie your hair from your head to toe, to go to Mecca, to go to River Jordan and baptize, 10 times to fast, to pray, to move from one door to another, preach. Yes, I'm preaching. It is good, but preaching cannot save me. I'm preaching because I'm saved. I'm doing good works because I'm saved. You need forgiveness of sin. It's through the blood of Jesus. It is in the relationship you have with Jesus. That is why he told a religious leader, and Nicodemus was preaching to thousands of people in the synagogue, but he wasn't born again. He visited Jesus but actually acknowledged to ponder about his eternal destiny. Many of you don't meditate about the eternal destiny. You think it's all about to eat. You think it's all about to drink.